Hi friends, welcome to our talk show Viz Talks, a unique initiative with a concept to support Rotarians to support Rotary. I am your host Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon and also the Chief Coordinator of Rotary District 3141 in 2021. In this talk show, we invite guests who have been doing selfless work in the community and discuss with them about their personal, professional and Rotary life. There has been an overwhelming response to the show all over the Rotary circles. And we thank each one of you with folded hands for the support towards the Rotary initiative Viz Talks. Viz Talks, friends, is an idea, a concept, and out-of-box thinking of our District Governor 2021, Rotarian Sunil Mehra. This visionary has given us many noteworthy projects which will help bring a lot of change in the community. Friends, we have a very special guest today for this interview of Viz Talks. She's none other than Meeta Rajiv Mehta. Friends, a strong lady, full of conviction, has gone through hard times and overcome all challenges and is leading with an example to take over as president of one of the most prominent and elite clubs of District 3141, Rotary Club of Bombay Metropolitan. Her husband was one of the founder members of Rotary Club of Bombay Metropolitan. She lost him in April 2018 and decided to join Rotary in June 2018, as she knew that Bombay Metropolitan was a family, and yet she got tremendous support from them then and now too. Friends, Rajiv Mehta was a co-president with Sunil Mehra in 2008-9, and he was one of his closest and dearest friends. Friends, he's being missed dearly today too. Meeta is a preschool teacher at By the Sea. It's a private preschool at Worli. She wants to set an example to others by living a great life and helping others. Rajiv will be happy seeing her living an independent life and becoming a president in Rotary. Her children and sisters are her life support systems, friends. With this small introduction, I present before you the strong lady, Meeta Rajiv Mehta.
Hello, friends.
Meeta, thank you so much for honoring our request and coming on this talk show. It is an absolute pleasure. In fact, DG Sunil wanted to be on this talk show, but as you're aware that because of lockdown, all meetings have turned out into e-meetings, and the number of meetings have increased, number of project plannings have increased. So he's so sorry that he could not be here today with us, but his feelings and his wishes are always there with you when you're starting your new journey as a president of Rotary Club of Bombay Metropolitan. Meeta, I have said in short about your personal life, but I would like you to speak something more about your personal life, which we all are not aware of.
So Rajiv was with Rotary for almost 30 years. So I was aware about the Rotary and the work, the amount of selfless work everybody does. And I think Rotary was flowing in his bloodstream. So I used to enjoy Rotary also. And I was aware about the amount of work they are doing. So once Rajiv passed away, I thought that no, even I must do something and give something to the society. Though I was going to VCare Foundation at Tata Hospital, where our other co-president Sharad Gupta's wife is the founder member of that VCare Foundation. But after going through the same thing in my life, I had no capacity to go to Tata Hospital again. So I said, yes, I want to work for the society, and I will continue the trend what Rajiv has set, and I will make him proud of what I'm going to do. And I think I'll try my best to do lovely projects this year, so that my year goes very well, and I hope I can set a good example to my Rotary members as well.
Lovely thoughts, lovely ideas. It's just fantastic to have a person like you taking over the reins of a club like Rotary Club of Bombay Metropolitan. You also know that Rotary Club of Bombay Metropolitan is one of the premier clubs in District 3141. And when you have a responsibility of leading this club, I know that you would have had lots and lots of planning that you have done, because lots of things on your shoulders. So I'm sure that with your family background and your experience and expertise, things are going to be quite easy for you because there'll be so many people who will be wanting to help you and assist you and be with you in this journey.
Yes.
But before we go on to your Rotary part that you are going to be taking up in the year to come, I want you to tell people something about your work too.
You mean to say profession-wise?
Yes.
Yes. Basically, I just want to live a independent life. And Raji was always worried, what will I do after him? So within 3 months, I decided that I have done this teacher training course long ago, almost 28 years ago. But in that way, I can help the society in a different way. So, and it's a very, very happy environment to be with the children. So I decided to join any of these schools, and this was one of the nearby schools. So it's one of the best schools around. I think in South Bombay, it's one of the best preschools around. And luckily, I got into it. So my children are always there. But then I don't want to live on somebody. I always want to have an independent life. So that way, my son is in Frisco. So he told me, just come here and stay with me. I said, no, I have a nice life here. I have Rotary friends, other friends, and I can join a school and live an independent life. And the day I feel, I will come to you for good. So I'm having a good time now. It's been 1.5 years of joining school, and it's been a good journey.
Mita, whenever you do something with love and passion, it's always going to be something more interesting. When you do something forcibly, you're never going to like it. So I know, since because it's done with all love and care and passion, you are going to be loving this field too. And same way, you'll also be nurturing your club in time to come. Mita, you have taken up as the president, are taking up as the president of Rotary Club of Bombay Metropolitan. Let us know what are the projects that you have planned, and how do you plan to execute with the current COVID situation too?
So already 3 global grant projects are already in hand, which are going to be I think effective in my year. So one of them being, we are going to make 200 to 225 toilets in the Karjat area. We've already adopted one village, and we've been doing few things over there. So this time we decided to do toilets over there, which is very important over there right now. And almost it's going to be for 56 to 57 lakhs of rupees. And the second great project would be, nowadays, because of COVID or without COVID, just the way cancer is coming up, even kidney issues are coming up like anything in the world. So we are already in touch with the Apex Kidney Foundation, and we are planning to donate 3 machines, dialysis machine in St. George. So that will be in my year now, coming year, because we have already placed the order, but by the time they come and get installed, it'll be in my coming year. So with 3 dialysis machines, we'll be giving them PP kits and a mask and other things also. So overall, it'll be around 25 lakhs project. And also, like for dialysis and any surgery needed in a kidney or medicines, we are giving, we'll be giving quite a good amount of around 18-19 lakhs. So those are the 3 big projects we are going to have. And just now I've got from Sion Hospital, they need beds to increase the number of beds in the Sion Hospital. So I think I'm in the process, and at least 100 to 125 beds we'll be giving them as of now in the current situation, because I think quite a bit of groceries and masks and PP kits we've already given in this year, and that is in constant need, and now it's easily available also. But if they need beds, I think that is more important too. So we are going into that phase now.
Fantastic. These are lovely projects which have been lined up. I'm sure a club like Bombay Metropolitan will take care of those projects, and in the meanwhile, you all will think of more projects also, because yes. Bombay Metropolitan cannot stop. It is one of the best clubs in District 3141, and it has to prove its name and prove its worth too. Mita, it has been a pleasure having you with us on this talk show. You have been so transparent in your talks. We've loved it a lot, and everyone in the district is there at your beck and call. In case you need any support from all of us, just give a call and we'll be there to support you as much as you want. And best of luck for the year ahead. I'm sure you're going to do extremely well. not just for yourself, not just for your club, but also for Rajiv. So best of luck for a lovely year ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.